Louisiana Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 6.
Question 1. To help keep the motorcycle steady through a turn, you should
decrease your speed, maintain or increase your speed, increase your speed, maintain or decrease your speed.
Answer.
Maintain or increase your speed.
Question 2. You should start the motorcycle with
your right wrist flat, your hands above your elbows, your right wrist low, your elbows locked.
Answer.
Your right wrist flat.
Question 3. Rolling under throttle should be done in which of the following situations?
Preparing to stop, passing a row of parked cars, to help stabilize while in a turn, descending a hill.
Answer.
To help stabilize while in a turn.
Question 4. In a single lane of traffic, there are lane positions for a motorcycle.
4, 3, 2, 5.
Answer.
3.
Question 5. If you take a turn too fast, you may end up
crossing into another lane of traffic, destroying your tires, tipping over while riding, obstructing the view of vehicles behind you.
Answer.
Crossing into another lane of traffic.
Question 6. If you need to brake and swerve to avoid hitting an obstacle, you
should brake after swerving, should brake before swerving, must brake while swerving, must brake before or after swerving.
Answer.
Must brake before or after swerving.
Question 7. How does carrying a passenger change your motorcycle?
Passengers make the motorcycle go faster. The motorcycle takes longer to react to changes. They help balance the motorcycle. Slowing down will be faster.
Answer.
The motorcycle takes longer to react to changes.
Question 8. How do you achieve maximum straight line braking?
Alternate between the front and rear brake. Fully apply both brakes. Use the rear brake only. Apply the front brake quickly.
Answer.
Fully apply both brakes.
Question 9. The best position for traction while raining is
the left lane position. In the tracks left by other drivers. The center lane position. The shoulder of the road.
Answer.
In the tracks left by other drivers.
Question 10. What is the safest braking method?
Using only the rear brake. Alternating between using the front brake and the rear brake. Using only the front brake. Using both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Answer.
using both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Question 11. Before making an emergency stop on the side of the road, you should
skim your feet along the road. Move into the center lane position. Make sure your luggage is secure. Check to see that the surface is firm enough to ride on.
Answer.
Check to see that the surface is firm enough to ride on.
Question 12. While riding your motorcycle, you approach a crosswalk that a pedestrian just stepped into. What should you do?
Stop inside the crosswalk. Proceed as long as you will not hit the pedestrian. Stop and wait for the pedestrian to cross the road. Proceed if the pedestrian is not in your lane.
Answer.
Stop and wait for the pedestrian to cross the road.
Question 13. What is the proper way to swerve?
Press the hand grip in the direction you want to swerve. Pull the hand grip in the direction you want to swerve. Press the hand grip in the opposite direction you want to swerve. Pull the hand grip in the opposite direction you want to swerve.
Answer.
Press the hand grip in the opposite direction you want to swerve.
Question 14. Helps make your shifting smoother.
Applying the rear brake. Rolling on the throttle. Applying the front brake. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
Rolling on the throttle.
Question 15. If you brake hard on a straightaway and your rear wheel locks,
pull the kill engine switch. Keep the rear wheel locked until stopped. Release all brakes and coast to a stop. Release the brake and only use the front brake.
Answer.
Keep the rear wheel locked until stopped.
Question 16. Which of the following is not part of the upshifting process?
Gently apply the front brake while adjusting the throttle. Ease out of the clutch and adjust the throttle. Roll off the throttle as you squeeze the clutch. Lift the shift lever as far as it will go.
Answer.
Gently apply the front brake while adjusting the throttle.
Question 17. If your front tire fails while riding, you should
shift your weight to the rear to help maintain stability. Shift your weight to the front to help maintain stability. Avoid using the rear brake. Use engine braking to slow down.
Answer.
Shift your weight to the rear to help maintain stability.
Question 18. To turn your motorcycle, you should press on the hand grip in the direction of the turn and
lean the opposite direction of the turn. Keep your body straight. Pull in the clutch. Lean in the direction of the turn.
Answer.
Lean in the direction of the turn.
Question 19. When starting on a hill, you should use to hold you while you wait for the engine to take hold.
The clutch. Your feet. The rear brake. The front brake.
Answer.
The rear brake.
Question 20. The best face protection is
Sunglasses. Approved goggles. A shatter-resistant face shield. A windshield.
Answer.
A shatter-resistant face shield.
Question 21. If the throttle is stuck, what should you do?
Flip the engine cut-off switch and pull in the clutch at the same time. Jump off the motorcycle. Stop the motorcycle using the rear brake only. Pull in the clutch.
Answer.
Flip the engine cut-off switch and pull in the clutch at the same time.
Question 22. A motorcycle rider must maintain a minimum safe following distance of behind the vehicle ahead.
3 seconds. 2 seconds. 4 seconds. 1 second.
Answer.
2 seconds.
Question 23. Which of the following does not increase your safety when riding at night?
Decreasing your speed. Passing slower vehicles. Changing your lane position. Wearing reflective coating.
Answer.
Passing slower vehicles.
Question 24. You are in danger of hitting an object and need to swerve to avoid it. What is the best way to initiate the swerve?
Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the side you need to swerve. Lean sharply in the opposite direction from which you need to swerve. Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the opposite side you need to swerve. Lean sharply in the direction you need to swerve.
Answer.
Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the side you need to swerve.
Question 25. To help maintain balance, your feet should
be firmly on the footrests. Skim the ground during turns. Be against the gas tank. Point down towards the road.
Answer.
Be firmly on the footrests. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.